How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Hoi An. Today we are going to be exploring the old town of Hoi An, and we're going to be taking in some of the historical side of things, which is interesting. We've woken up hella early. It's currently 8:15. Everyone's ready. We're ready to go. So let's bring it on. See what today brings. So considering it's before 9 o'clock in the morning, everywhere is pretty busy already. It's almost like rush hour, however everything's like coordinated chaos. And all the shops are already open too. So we have just come to this massive river, and I think we're about to get on a boat tour, which for 6 people is going to cost about £9, and it's like an hour and a half long apparently, or half an hour, I can't remember what he said. But either way, a whole boat tour along a river, proper touristy thing, less than a tenner for a big group of people. That's crazy prices, brilliant. Here we are then, guys. Taking the boat tour in. We're about to be adding some life jackets now. What an experience. This is sick, to be fair. I have definitely had worse Sunday mornings in my life. It's currently 9:30. We're on this beautiful river. The weather's great. Got given a life jacket, which is a little bit concerning, but it doesn't make me question the safety of the boat whatsoever. Brilliant. Cannot fault this whatsoever. The last time I was on a boat tour, I was in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, and this is worlds apart. That was insane. What a sick experience to do that. My boy Liam, he remembers when we were out in Amsterdam, I was freezing me tits off on that boat ride. Freezing, absolutely freezing. This one, a little bit different. It's bloody, I'm the opposite. I'm sweating me tits off. But 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Did feel a little bit rickety, but that's what the life jacket's for, I guess. 10 out of 10, amazing. I've just been asked to take a survey regarding the area, and for the survey, it took about 5 minutes. Been given a free fan with a cool design, and it actually does cool you down. Although I'm pretty sure these are the fans that if you do that, the more you do that, the more it heats you actually up. But still, nice touch, you know. This is such a cool place, man. This is sick. I have just got the best t-shirts I've ever seen in my life. KFC logo, you see, KJU, Kim Jong-un. I plan on wearing this on my flight home. All right then, guys, we have called the taxi, just walking to the pickup point now. Thank you ever so much for watching, liking and subscribing. As always, stay locked in for the next one. See you guys tomorrow.